Hey there, if you're looking to boost your health and reduce chronic inflammation, you're in the right place. Inflammation is your body's natural way of healing and defending itself, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Fortunately, adopting an anti-inflammatory diet can help you manage and reduce chronic inflammation. So let's dive into the best foods to include and what to avoid. First up, fruits and veggies. Think colorful berries, cherries, oranges, leafy greens, and cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower are fantastic choices. They're packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that fight inflammation. Next, let's talk healthy fats. Omega-3 rich foods like salmon, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds are your best friends. And don't forget olive oil and avocados. They're not just tasty, but also powerful anti-inflammatories. Whole grains are another must. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat are full of fiber and nutrients that promote gut health and reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds, anyone? Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, including vitamin E. For proteins, lean is the way to go. Choose poultry, tofu, legumes, and fish over red and processed meats, which can actually promote inflammation. Don't forget to spice things up. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and rosemary aren't just flavor boosters, they're also great for fighting inflammation. Now, what to avoid? Steer clear of processed foods, refined carbs, sugary beverages, red and processed meats, and anything with trans fats. These can all ramp up inflammation. Finally, some quick tips. Stay hydrated, practice mindful eating, balance your plate with fruits, veggies, lean protein, and whole grains, cook at home, and limit alcohol. Here's a simple meal plan to get you started. For breakfast, try Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. Lunch could be a quinoa salad with mixed greens and chickpeas. Dinner, baked salmon with roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli. And snacks like almonds or apple slices with almond butter. Supplements like omega-3s, turmeric, and ginger can also help, but always check with your healthcare provider first. Remember, adopting an anti-inflammatory diet is about making mindful, enjoyable choices for long-term health. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. Your next step is to pick up the Anti-Inflammatory Diet and Recipe Booklet, which includes what was covered in this video, plus some awesome breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. It's available by clicking on the link in the description.